Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a roux without butter. This easy method uses common pantry ingredients to create a versatile thickener for your favorite dishes. We'll start by selecting the right oil and flour, then move on to the simple cooking process. You'll learn how to achieve different roux colors for various culinary applications, ensuring perfectly thickened results every time. For our butter-free roux, selecting the right ingredients is key. Opt for a neutral-flavored oil like canola or vegetable oil, as these won't overpower your dish. All-purpose flour is your best friend here, providing the ideal starch content for thickening. Remember the golden rule, equal parts oil and flour. So, if you use 1/2 cup of oil, you'll need 1/2 cup of flour. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating your oil in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-low heat. Once warm, gradually whisk in the flour. Keep whisking until a smooth, lump-free paste forms. Continue cooking this mixture for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly. This initial cooking phase helps eliminate the raw flour taste and begins the thickening process. The color of your roux dictates its flavor and use. A light blonde roux, cooked for just a few minutes, is perfect for creamy sauces and gravies. For a deeper, nuttier flavor, like in gumbos, cook it longer to a darker brown. When ready to use, slowly whisk hot liquid into your roux to prevent lumps. You can even store extra roux in an airtight container for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.